It's spooky season, spooky season, spooky season, spooky season, it's spooky season, spooky season, spooky season, it's spooky season, it's spooky season, spooky season.
Good morning, girlies. So it is 8 o'clock in the morning, and my boyfriend wants to go to C10 Nationals today. It opens at 7 a.m. and I think it closes at like 6 p.m. So we have some time, but we're up getting ready. Well, at least I'm up getting ready because it takes me a little bit longer to get ready than he is. I need to go and brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna put at least some concealer on this. I need to do something to my face today. Can do my eyebrows. Let's finish getting ready. I also need to do my hair too, if you can't tell.
Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like, yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the thing. This is not the most king, yo. It's about a thing, yo. Feel real good with your hands in the air and lick 2 shots in the atmosphere. It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. Now you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again. Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then and you got again, walking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the gin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gon' tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum, nigga. And you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell they souls because it's sin. Look where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails up out Koreans. Come again. Yo, come again. Come again. Come again. Guys, you know you better watch out. Some girls are only about that thing.
Packing either side of the pit roll. Who's ready for a little LS acceleration burnout contest? All right. Now, for those of you who haven't been to a burnout contest before, they water the plate to make the plate cool.
a good one.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Oh no. Close radiator.
Yep.
Worth it! He's got so much more power to swing it out.
Right.
Now, acceleration. That's a whole load the whole time.
Yeah, seriously.
Working. How do you like that?
I've done 10 years.
That sounds like big Netflix. Hey, like the purple thing, I love it. You guys taking videos, be sure to hashtag C10 Nationals. 6.2 meter L at Omaha.
I've got one.
Cameron's getting ready to roll. 1982, 13 years, right? All right. Good pump, 82, getting ready to eat. Gonna water that plate. What do you think, buddy? Think a low angle?
It's currently 4 o'clock and we are just now leaving. We've been here since like 9 a.m.